Okay, you guys, sorry, I'm back. My camera just turned right off, and this time it wasn't because I was out of time. It turned off because I had too much, on my damn camera. Like, I needed to, remove some of the videos off of it. Anyway, okay, so we're going to do this crown and make that into a paper clip, right? So, simple. You take one of those little circles that I punched out. Let's put that on the back. Now, when you do these ones, these flat back marble ones, you don't need to because this is a piece of paper here. Okay, when you cut your image out with the scissors, you end up with a piece of paper, so it's going to glue right onto this really easily. So, okay, so then next, let's go ahead and put some glue, hot glue there. Hot glue can just not, everybody knows, cannot be glued onto something smooth. If the surface is too smooth, put a piece of paper, put something to buffer it in between, like a piece of paper or a piece of muslin, depending on what you're working on. Okay, so now I centered that to make sure that it's where I want it. We're going to let that dry. Okay, turn that back around. Now we're going to put some more hot glue on here, and we're going to cover up our mess with the other one. Again, you could have used a button. You could have used either one of these buttons. So if you have buttons, like suppose you don't even have this circle punch thing I'm talking about, but you have a bunch of buttons, use the buttons, you guys. Don't even worry about it. If you need one of these because your surface the surface you're going to is too smooth and you need that buffer in between, just cut yourself out a little circle. You don't have to have this little punch out machine, this little punch out thing. But I would advise you guys to get these. I would get both of the sizes. This is the one you need probably for paper clips, but I would get both of these sizes. These are fabulous to have in your arsenal, and they're not that expensive, you guys. They're $10 maybe, and then if you use a coupon, they're like $5. Also, always be looking out because all of them, Target, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, all of them clearance these type of things out. When they do buy them, they're tools. Your tools are like huge. If you're going to invest your money in anything, I suggest investing your money in tools, stamps, dies, things like that. Things that you can make things over and over and over. Okay, so look at that. Isn't that fabulous, you guys? So we have that and we have the butterfly. So let me show you both up really close. Look how flippin' adorable those are. Okay, you guys. So, oh, and let me just show you one more thing. I wanted to show you the other ones that I have of sheets. Okay, I also have, oh, there's that other little circle I cut out. I have this sheet, and this sheet is gorgeous. Look how pretty this is. Let me come out just a little bit. Oh, it's hard to see then. Well, I'll just have to come up a little closer. Well, I'll just come in as close as I can, guys. There we go. But these are all little fairies. Aren't these gorgeous? And you guys, I can't remember if I bought this or if I went online and just found this. I can't remember. Let me see what it says on the bottom. I can't remember. But you guys also go on, just Google it and try to find things like this also. If I knew where, I think I just went online and found this because I've had it for a long time, you guys. And then the same thing with this one. I think I went online. So you can go ahead and just Google, little fairies. And pictures like this might come up where it has a bunch of them on one page. And I think that's what happened. And I think that's what happened with this also. I Googled vintage ladies, and then one page came up when I Googled it, and it had all of these little squares of the vintage ladies. Okay? And that's fabulous too. And I've done those. So you can, do it like that. It's fabulous. And like I said, you guys, you can do, oh, let me just show you. I'll show you my other example since we have time. This was a book I found at a garage sale. And it had pictures of a bunch of stamps. So look how fabulous that is. To take it and put one over one of these stamps. Fabulous. And because they're black and white images, you could also do that same thing where you just color in a certain part of the stamp. how I did those little girls with the pink. This is something I got for free. I've already cut something out of here. This was a Tilda page. I got this online. It's a bunch of little flowers. Okay. This is also something that I Googled and found. And look at all these little images. Fabulous, huh? So you could simply take your flat back marble and put it on one of these things so easily. It'll make some really cool ones. I can't wait to do this sheet. This is going to be fun because the images are already so small. Okay, and then this right here is another one that I Googled. And it had a bunch of really cool little images on here. Oops, that one is not. Let me go this way because there's no images on the bottom. See if you guys are seeing it now. Yeah. So I could put it over that. I could put it over this shoe. I could put it over that. I mean, there's just so many cute things on this sheet. See how cute that is? So you can find things online for free also. Okay, you know what this says? This says steampunk vintage clip art. So I might have got it from there. And maybe I didn't Google this. I've had these in my stash forever, you guys. So again, that's might want to check steampunk vintage clip art. Okay? And Google stuff because you can get stuff for free. Look around your craft room, look at your scrapbook paper. You can look at magazines. Little images are everywhere, you guys. And I think that's all I want to show you guys for today. Well, for this video. And sorry it's 3 parts, you guys. My damn video, it would have only been 2 parts, but my video just cut out. I can't believe it did that. So these are all the things we worked on today. And we just kind of end it like this so we can see. I mean, look at all these paper clips you can make. And you guys, when you're doing sheets at a time, you're going to make like 20 paper clips at a time, basically. And then remember we did this. I can't show you the blue one because it's drying. Oh, let's come out a lot. Don't worry, you guys. If I'm not in frame, I will be soon. So don't ever worry because I got this mirror. That's why I have this mirror so I can make sure I'm always in frame. So remember we made these. Make sure you guys look for these glass candles, these glass candle holders that say Mermaid Kisses. Look for the Dollar Tree and pick them up. Like if you want 4 or 5 of these because you want a couple for yourself and some for gifts or Happy Mail, pick them up because they are going like crazy, okay? And they have a beautiful rose fragrance to them. I just love it. And then I told you guys about where to get your images. Make sure you get your flat back clear marbles from Dollar Tree. Gold paper clips, you can pick them up at the office, any of the office stores like Office Max or any of those places, Staples. If you want, you can just get the silver ones from Dollar Tree, or you can get they have different colors at Dollar Tree too. Just get them there. Doesn't matter. Okay, you guys, that is it. Oh yeah, make sure you get your E6000. Like I said, I like to get it at Walmart for $3. Oh, one more thing. Right here. To take the labels off the bottom of the candles, or take labels off, period, you guys. Awesome. All right, you guys, that is it. I give you guys a lot of information in one video. I've talked too much. Okay, you guys, that's it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. If you can give this video a thumbs up, that'd be great. Any comments or questions, leave them below. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye! Wait, let me get my mirror so I can turn it off. All right, see you guys later. Bye.